Okay, so let's download STS by typing STS download in Google Chrome. So then select the tools Spring hyperlink. So that is the one you are going to select it. So it opens a Spring Tools website and choose your operating system type there. So I'm using Windows 64-bit now. So select the Windows 64-bit and click on it and start downloading it. So once this file is downloaded, so you will see the one pop-up saying that this file is not safe for this system. Keep it or discard it. Go ahead and select the keep because this file is required for us to run the STS. Okay, let's wait for finish to come download. So once it finish the download, and go ahead and select the arrow button and click on open. So open will run this file, and that means it is installing STS software into your download folder. Just click on it and that's it. We'll see you next. So once it is downloaded SDK, go to download folder and select the STS 4.7.0 release folder. Open it, that folder. Inside that folder, you will see the file called Spring Tool Suite 4 with a leaf symbol. Double click on that. It opens STS. Yep. So you will see the logo Spring Tool Suite 4. So basically it built on top of the Eclipse platform. So the Spring companies actually implemented their own validations and components. Basically they took the Eclipse and then extended that component as a Spring Tool Suite. Okay. So wait for Okay, so now it opens a workspace. Just ignore whatever the file workspace name file. Just click on launch button. So the click launch button will open again your STS. So now this time it opens a IDE with the default settings. If your workspace already a Java project, then it opens it. If there is no Java project, you will see the different screen. So in a bit, you're going to see that. Let's wait for open that IDE. Yes, it's open. So it opened with the default project, so which already I created previously. So let me remove that project and okay. Now you see that actual screen. So left side you see the create Java project. So just click on create Java project and type the Java project name. So once it is typed, you go to the JRE section and select the radio button, use project specific JRE and click configure JRE. For the first time you don't see the JDK, so you have to select the configure JRE and click add button and select the standard VM, click next and then select the directory. So this directory is going to be wherever you downloaded JDK and extracted in our previous class. So select that folder. So if it is a Windows, just select the JDK 11.02, and if it is Mac, you have to select all the way to home directory. And after selecting, just click on finish button, because I already created JRE, so that's the reason it shows JRE name is already in use. So go ahead and finish, and then choose the checkbox JDK 11, apply and close. Make sure use project specific JRE should be JDK 11, and click finish, and it opens a just don't create it. And once you created the project, select the source folder and go to file, new, then select the package and give the package name whichever it makes sense to you. Then select the demo package name and click new, again file, new, or right mouse button and click new, and then select the class and give the class name hello, and select the checkbox in the method would you like to use it is public static void main, and click finish. So now it opens your hello.java file here, and remove the line and type system.out.println, and within the double quotations type the greetings, whatever the greeting you want to it, and enter the semicolon and save it, and click on the top right side, left side, so you see the play button, so click on that play button. So it is going to run the Java code, and you will see the output hello world. So that is a one way of executing Java. And another way is by selecting the file, so that means just place the cursor on the current file and click right mouse button and run as Java application, so that it execute the same way, the green or the play button. So there is no difference between these two, so you can choose any one of them. That's it.